Welcome to the Smithsonian Learning Lab. In this video, you'll learn how to select a collection thumbnail. The lab has this really fun feature that you can select which resource tile you want to appear as your collection's thumbnail in search results, your profile page, and more. To select the thumbnail, first make sure you're in edit mode. Click on the green edit button in the upper right-hand corner. You'll know you're in edit mode because of that green stripe across the top of the screen. Once you're in edit mode, click the Edit Info button at the far right. This takes you to the introductory information section of your collection. Then, click on the Thumbnail tab, that second one in. Here, you have several options to select a thumbnail. You might click Create Thumbnail to create a new, unique tile using the Canvas feature. You might click Choose Resource to select a thumbnail from your content in My Favorites, My Resources, or from a search. Or you might want to click Upload Image to upload a new resource as a URL or a file from your computer. You can also select one of the images beneath these options to choose a thumbnail from the resources already in your collection. I'll choose that one. Once you've made your selection, be sure to click Done to save your selection, and that's that blue box in the upper right. And then click Save and Exit to finish. To learn more about customizing canvases or uploading files, watch the videos linked in this video's description.